Centrally located can be an overused buzzword in real estate, but when it comes to the suburb of Lambton, there's just simply no other way to describe it. Gorgeous parks, sporting arenas, eateries, major clubs and shopping centres all make up the local landscape that suits everyone from first home buyers, families to downsizing retirees. Throw in some of the unique features here at 15 Copeland Street and this will be a must-see on your inspection list. On a level 468 square metre block, this home offers more parking than the average home in the area, with a 12.3 metre long carport with electric door, a single garage or workshop, plus plenty of extra driveway parking. Inside, there are 2 bedrooms plus a study, freshly painted interior and polished floors. The backyard is private and secure for kids or pets. Attached to the garage is a sleep-out accommodation with a near-new bathroom, perfect for visitors or perhaps a home office. In the catchment zone for New Lambton Public School and Lambton High, and 15 minutes to the beaches, this home can be ready to lease out, move in, or be a blank canvas to make it your own. I'm Brad Thornton from the agency, and I look forward to meeting you at our next inspection.